Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Ktura Kay and I'm here with another video. So today I will be doing a full look on the new Covergirl Full Spectrum collection. So Covergirl's brand new Full Spectrum collection was inspired by multicultural women. So it was specifically designed to address a lot of the needs that multicultural women have when it comes to looking for makeup, whether it be the right foundation shade, the right undertone within the foundation, or the right eyeshadow, the right blush, the right highlighter. We always struggle with finding those things, most of us, and it may be too light, maybe too dark, or they may not have a wide variety of shades for all skin tones. So I noticed that when I used to look for my foundation, I would have to mix two colors, buy in two foundations, say the foundation is $40, it's $80 for your perfect shade. And these foundations are really good. I really like how they came out, and you'll see that later in the video. That is one good thing, and the rest of the line, as you can see, I have it on my face right now. You don't see anything that is too light, anything that's too dark or too ashy. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video. I'm going to be using the entire collection on my face today, so that is good. I can't wait to show y'all what I used, how I used it, and basically my first reaction as I applied each product from the collection. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below if you have tried anything from the new Covergirl collection. And we're gonna get into the video. Hit that bell also to be notified when I post new videos, and stay tuned for giveaways and other fun stuff here on my channel. Before I applied anything on my face, I applied that Matte Ambition Mattifying Skin Primer with SPF 20, and it is to prep skin with an invisible SPF layer that extends the wear of makeup and provides hours of oil control for a shine-free finished look. And the price range for that is $9.96 to $11.49. I'm ready to do my brows. After doing my brows, I concealed underneath and above my brows to kind of perfect the brow a little bit more and just to give it a nice shape, to outline the shape. I used the Contour and Correct Expert, and this is what it looks like here. And it's a complete palette kit with 8 shades to provide an all-in-one coverage and contour solution for multicultural women that highlight and balance pigmentation all day. Red and salmon tones neutralize dark spots and erase dark circles. Yellow tones can be used to highlight, while brown and tan tones to contour and sculpt. And these palettes range from $9.96 to $13.49. I guess it all depends on what area you're in and what the prices are there. So after the brows, I went in and color corrected with that same palette, and I blended everything out before I applied my concealer. I kind of didn't like the consistency as much, but I feel like more product, I just need to get more product. So maybe if I would have took a little bit out and put it on the back of my hand and warmed it up a little more, it probably would have been able to move better and place on my face better. So for my concealer, I used their All Day Idol Brightening Concealers, and I used a tad bit darker shade. It has a more warm undertone. It was able to eliminate all the dark circles or anything like that I had, discoloration, and I don't have much, but it's mainly under my eyes. And I'm gonna let you all know what it claims to do as well. And this lightweight concealer brightens skin tone, hides dark circles, and delivers flawless all-day coverage. Available in 6 shades, and the price range for that is $8.42 to $11.49. After I went in with that concealer, I went in with their Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation. It claims to be transfer resistant, long wear, and buildable coverage. And it also claims to hide pores, imperfections, and keep shine controlled all day. It offers a natural matte finish using mattifying powders to help absorb oils and blur pores. It's available in 20 shades. So the price range for those are $9.96 to $13.39. So when it came to the foundation, I went in with the color of my skin tone, of course, and then I also used it to contour. So here where you have the darker shade to contour your cheekbone, I used the foundation for that. And it actually worked really good because it's nice and it's very movable and it's very buildable, just like it says, and it's not very thick and it's buildable. So the first time I applied the first layer, I didn't really like how it looked. It was very sheer, but that is great for an everyday look. But I wanted full coverage, so I applied a few more layers, maybe 2 more layers, and just blended everything out, and it gave me a nice finish. After that, I went in with the Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundations, and they are buildable, one-step powder foundation that delivers long-lasting, natural-looking full coverage while reducing the appearance of oily-looking shine. Kind of set everything in place. Go in my cheeks, my cheekbone. As my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using the All Day Idol Brightening Concealer, this one. And brush too, but I'm going to be using my brush. This is double-sided. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna go in with these 2 colors here at the end. I'm gonna go in my crease. It's this one. I'm going to be using my CoverGirl Intensify Me liner. Kind of gray, maybe because I used that metallic shadow, but I'm going to go in with the roller liner from Benefit on top of this. I like my liner pitch black. Now I'm going to be using Defining Moment, which is an all-day eyeliner. This is their blackest black. CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast, and this is it. And I'm gonna go in with that to the top and at the bottom. And this is my lip liner. So now we're gonna go in with the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Idol lipstick, and this is in the color Fortune. This is one of the products that I have been so excited to use. I've been dying to use this, and this is the Sculpt Expert, and this is in the color Rose Rush, and they have the 3 highlighter shades here. These are so pretty. Do y'all see that? Oh, let's see, this too much already. Blend it in. My CoverGirl Outlast Active Setting Spray. All in my mouth. I'm taking Great Escape lashes, and I have one on now. Do y'all see the difference? makes a huge difference, and it just widens your eyes and just gives you a nice glamorous feel and a glamorous look. And I love lashes. I'm applying regular lash glue, and I like to use the black lash glue because it matches with my liner. I always wear liner at the top unless it's just like a rare occasion where I just want a really natural look. Before and after. See the difference? This glue is drying, so I'm gonna hurry up and put it on there. Make sure everything is touching the skin. And these are, again, Great Escape Lashes by Pretty Couture. So I hope you all enjoyed this look. Please bear with me with my skin. I got a peel and my skin is peeling like crazy, but I was able to still do the video because it's not as bad as it was yesterday. Like, it was literally like skin peeling all up here. So I wanted to make sure I came on here looking somewhat decent and made sure that my skin would still look all right and not alter how the foundation looked. I didn't want y'all thinking that the foundation was too drying or whatever the case may be. So that's why I'm letting you all know. I got the peel from Urban Skin Solutions in Charlotte, and I can link their information down below as well. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much, CoverGirl, for sending me all of these amazing products in your new full spectrum line. And these prices are bomb. Like, you cannot beat these prices. Like, this is a full drugstore look. Less than $100 like on your face. So thank y'all again for watching my video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos, and I will see y'all in the next video.